we are going to using calculating Celsius to Fahrenheit. For this, first we need to define a variable where we will accept the input from the user. So I'm using here Celsius. You can use any name as per your choice. So we need to use here float because temperature can be in decimals number or in whole numbers. So just for convenience, I'm gonna to use it float. Now I will define a function. Let's take it Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. Next we would like to pass an argument. So I'm gonna to use it here x. We will pass. Now actually we need to use the formula for conversion. So I'm keeping it Fahrenheit and then we are using formula that is Celsius into 9 by 5 and then we need to add 32. So this is the actual formula to converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now we need to show the output. So first we will gonna to use return. So we are returning here value. So now we need to call the function. So just I'm calling a function here Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now we will pass the Celsius here because we are accepting value from the user. Now we will assign a variable where we can store the value. Next we need to show the output. So we are going to just use print and then we will add the result. So now check, let's say 10. So as you can see we got 50. Now add a Fahrenheit here, so it will feel good, right? So just I'm going to add Fahrenheit here. The user know the what actually it is. So just I have added some error. Okay, sorry. So just I have added Fahrenheit here. So you can see.